Welcome to day 5 of my 30-day corset check series. I know I edit my videos like a professional and never show you the ugly side of lacing or tying my corset. Well, you're in luck. Today I decided to skip the editing and show you the real version of how frustrating lacing up my corset can be. Yes, this video is sped up, but I doubt you want to see me struggle for 5 minutes in normal speed. Or maybe you do. Anyways, this doesn't happen every day, but when it does, I can feel my blood pressure start to rise and it makes me want to quit. But after all is said and done and I finish playing my mini violin, lacing up my corset, I can sigh with relief knowing I'm no longer the victim of feisty corset laces. Okay, bye!